Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain experiment number 3 of data structure and program design laboratory. Experiment the experiment number 3 is design, develop and execute a program in C to implement singly linked list where each node consists of integers. The program should support following functions: create a singly linked list, insert a new node, delete a node if it is found, otherwise display appropriate message, display the nodes of singly linked list. Objective of this experiment is to study the concept of linked list operations. The linked list operations are creation, insertion, and deletion. A linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored at contiguous memory locations like array. The elements in a linked list are linked using pointers. Linked list consists of group of nodes in a sequence. Various operations are performed for linked list. We have to first create a singly linked list. After that, we have to perform a insertion operation in a linked list. In insertion operation, we can insert a node at the beginning, insert a node at the end, or insert a node at any specified position. We have to perform delete operation on the linked list. Delete operations In delete operations, we will delete node from the beginning, from the end, or at any specified position. And we have to display the linked list. I will explain this experiment in C and explain all the output regarding this. This is the program for singly linked list. Here in this program, we have to write functions for creating a linked list, displaying the linked list. Create function is used for creating linked list. Display function is used for displaying the nodes in the linked list. Insert begin function is used for inserting a new node at the beginning of the linked list. Insert end function is used for inserting a new node at the end of the linked list, and insert at any position function is used for inserting a node at given position. Likewise, delete begin function is used for deleting the node at the beginning of the linked list. Delete end function is used for deleting the node from the end, and delete at any position function is used for deleting the node from the given position. Here we have to define node as a structure. Struct node is used for defining the node. Node contains integer part, that is part, and one pointer part. Integer part contains information of the node and pointer part contains the link to the next node. In main function, in main program, we have to call all the functions for creating linked list, inserting linked list, displaying linked list, and deleting the linked list. Here we have to select one choice at a time for any function. If we select one, then create link function will be called. If we select two, then display function will be called. If we select three, then insert at the beginning function will be called. If we select four, insert at the end function will be called. And if we select five, insert at any specified position function call. If we select six, delete from beginning function will be called. If we select 7, delete from the end function will be called. If we select 8, then delete from specified position function is called. And if we select 9, then program will be exit. Here we have to give first choice. For giving choice, we will use switch case function. In case 1, create function will be called. In case 2, display function will call. In case 3, insert beginning function will call. In case 4, insert end function will call. In case 5, insert at any position function will call. In case 6, delete begin function will call. In case 7, delete end function will call. In case 8, delete at any position function will call. And case 9, we will exit from the program. Here we write for creating a function for creating the linked list. This is the function for creating the linked list. This is the function for displaying the linked list. Likewise, we write the function for insert at beginning, insert at end, insert at any position, delete from beginning, delete from end, and delete from any position. Now we will run this program and see the output of the program. Here, this is the singly linked list operations menu. If I will give choice 1, then the create function will call and the linked list will be created. Now enter the data value for the node for creating the linked list. Suppose I give 20, then 20 will be inserted in the linked list. First, now I give choice 1 again for creating the linked list. Here, the data value I will give is 30, and till now I insert 20 and 30 in the linked list for creating the linked list. Now I display the linked list. I give choice 2 and my linked list is the list elements are 20 and 30. Now I will give third choice for inserting at the beginning. The value entered at the beginning will be 50. Then 50 will be inserted at the first position in the linked list. Now I will give display. Then in this 50 is inserted before the 20 and in the first position of the linked list. Now I will give the choice 4 insert at the end. The value is 60. When I display this list, the resulting list will be 50, 20, 30 and 60. 60 will be inserted at the end of the linked list. Here the list elements are 50, 20, 30 and 60. 60 is inserted at the end. Now I will call delete from the beginning function. That's why I will choose the choice 6. 50 will be deleted because 50 is present at the beginning. When I display the linked list will contain 20, 30 and 60. Then delete from the end function, the choice 7 will be chosen, and in this function 60 will be removed from the linked list and the linked list will be 20 and 30 only. Linked list elements are 20 and 30. I will explain now delete from specified position. That is 8 and I will choose value at position 1. Then 30 will be deleted and only one element will be remain. 30 will be deleted and linked list contains only one element, that is 20. This is all about the all operations performing on the linked list. Now I will be exit from the program